Western civilization. Music and art have rolled along together from the beginning of time. The cavemen, well, they painted in the dark, dark caves, they played their flutes, and they hunted for food. This was 8,000 years ago. The Egyptians, they built the pyramids. A pharaoh ruled. He was buried in a tomb. The Egyptians built the pyramids 5,000 years ago. The Greeks, well, they liked to build their bodies and minds. They began the Olympics. Yes, the Greeks liked to build their bodies and minds 3,000 years ago. The Romans, they wanted to conquer the world. They built miles of roads. The Colosseum rang. 80,000 people came to watch the activities. Rome wanted to conquer the world 2,700 years ago. The medieval monks, oh, they prayed and prayed. They copied their books. The castles still remain. The medieval monks prayed and prayed 1,500 years ago. Now music continues. This was the beginning of Western civilization, but as we will see, it goes on and on. And now we come to the Renaissance period. Beautiful dresses. And there's Leo and Mike. And now we have movable type. The Renaissance means a rebirth from the past. And the music in Florence, Italy was magnificent. Leo da Vinci and Michelangelo. In the Baroque period, it was very fancy, all dripping with gold, dripping with gold. The Baroque period meant that more was better, like the Palace of Versailles 400 years ago. Then the classical came, which was very simple. The music was loud and soft, fast and slow. There was Napoleon, the War of 1812, 300 years ago. The Romantics, they had the freedom to express their ideas. There was a lot of deep emotion in the music and the paintings. This was 250 years ago. But they also had the French Revolution. In the modernistic time, the music was dreamy and hazy. Oh, there was clashing chords also, like we'd never heard before. The artists created impressions of life, like Monet's paintings 150 years ago. 20th century musicians and artists created new styles. They created new forms. They reacted against the established traditions 100 years ago. But now we look into the future. To predict the future of classical music is difficult, but music is going to be created, musicians are going to perform, and people will listen.